Last thing. Everyone is in an interesting spot as a teacher right now. I can tell that it's a tough year for teachers. I can tell that teachers are under more pressure than they probably ever have been. Who feels that? Well, guess what? You're not alone, because these guys here are feeling it too. More than anybody else. They are under tremendous pressure. Yes? And you usually are the person that is the one that saves the day for them. Because something's going on at home, or they're not getting the help here, they're not getting the food here, they're not getting the answers here. I mean, all those things are not happening for us right now, right? Let alone for them. So you become the hero. You do become the superhero for your kids. I'll tell you a little secret. I know that I have some. Who's not a parent right now? Who's not a parent? Who's not a parent yet? Where are my parents? Who is a parent? Do you know how much my kid talks about her teacher? Nonstop. It's all good. But teachers are so important. Talk all the time about teacher. We talk about you all the time. Right? I mean, you are such a big piece. But you know what my child never has ever done? They've never asked about your test. And they never, ever will, because they don't care about that. They just want you. Give me a thumbs up. They just want you in the classroom. So that's why you're fighting. This is your gold medal, to be with them now. They need you now. You need to be that superhero. You need to be that superhero. No one needs to know that you are that superhero to those kids. Okay, team. So team, you have your motivation now, right? You know what to do. A 1, a 2, a 3. Yay, give me a yes. Okay, then win this. Thank you so much, team. If you like the class, let me know. Tell your friends. All this stuff helps us, okay? Thank you so much. Everyone have a great night. Get some rest, okay?